Some chickens can be really crazy. That one's warm.
I'm done feeding the chickens.
There's a green one. I wonder what kind of chicken lays a green egg. Can you help me? Dad, can you help me?
Just go get the egg.
But what if they peck me?
They won't peck you.
Yeah, they will.
No, they won't.
I think they're sitting on some. Wait, do you cover their heads again?
Just stick your hand under there.
No. Oh, Polish chicken! He's black and white.
You're stalling.
What?
You're stalling. Get the egg. Get the egg.
Hey, watch out, chicken. Watch out.
Go for it. Now.
I know. I can't see the egg. He's so fast, he won't get up.
You gotta stick your hand under there.
But he's fat.
Just stick your hand underneath.
Wait. Wait. No, you want an egg. Get up, you
Here,
chicken.
let's see if there's an egg.
She won't get up. He's too fat. Get out.
No egg.
Good.
No egg.
Good.